I would like to thank him and his team for involving industry in brainstorming on various issues and being sensitive to the views of the industry. In fact, changing of notification from NOC to acknowledgement as far as advertisements is concerned is a case in point of how they have reacted quickly to the industry views. In fact, for the first time, we always thought this was Ministry for Labour, but after Mr. Kaute has taken over, we came to know it is Ministry for Labour and Employment, because quite a few efforts have been going on the employment front as well. Whether it be job fairs which have taken place over a period of time, the employment policy which the ministry is initiating right now.
They've taken a lot of initiatives in terms of setting up model career center, in terms of automation. But I think the greatest initiative that he has taken is to bring everyone together. If you see on the days, and now the days is almost complete, you would see the minister there, you would see the industry representatives there, but you would also find two of the prominent leaders of the union there. So bringing together everyone, the government, the ministry, the industry and the labor together is, I think, one of the greatest achievements that the minister has been doing. Employment is becoming one of the most sensitive and I would say the most important issues. 2-3 news items in the recent past is something which I would like to draw your attention to. Nirmala Sitharaman's interaction with the industry said that industry should absorb more and more labor now, and that you have to ensure that a lot of employment is provided.
Employment Exchange Department is not responsible for creating employment, but for facilitating things as far as data is concerned, facilitating and ensuring what we need to do. At the Model Career Center, नवे initiatives आम्ही start करतात. We need to ensure that the employment part is being seen, जे आमचे गोंयकार उरतात तांचे. Complaint जे येतात की गोंयकार एम्प्लॉय जायना सुसेगाद आसा, ताज्या खातीर this policy will support the system in tune with the other policies, whether it's IT or whatever. Other policies will support, and we will ensure that Goans are there. If they are not there, how they can be skilled, and ताज्या खातीर what task force form केला. We are trying to get it out at the earliest. This seriousness is seen today. We have called the CEOs and HR, GMs and other people of select companies which are mid-size or big-size companies to also understand their concern and address that together so that the special task force first hand gets it sector-wise. I mean, better ulong shakna. So we have called pharma, we have called light engineering, we have called companies which are contributing to a particular GDP or particular part for the state in terms of employment and GDP. ताज्या खातीर त्या कंपनीक आज आपण deliberation जे जातले from manufacturing side also, we will be able to take some ideas from the industry and try to correlate them and put it together.
कितल्या कंपनी असतली
आज आम्ही जवळजवळ फक्त सिलेक्ट अबाउट 25 to 28 कंपनीज मागिल्ल्यो आसा विथ देअर HR heads, their CEOs and CEOs who have come today to sit together, share their grievances, their problems. From the union side, we have the people in the task force and we have the government's initiatives of creating employment. So they उलोवन deliberate करून ताजेर solution काडपा खातीर now we have actually made them into groups. Which I don't think in the past any time has happened in this type of initiatives taken by any government. And we are clear that we need to do this, and we will try our best to see that we are able to find a solution for our Goinkars who normally are looking for employment or have complaints की या कंपनीन आमकां काडटात नाल्यार ह्या कंपनी आमकां घेनात म्हणून ज्यो complaints आसा, we are trying to address it, and for which the policy is being also looked at. Because we cannot keep blaming the system की सरकारचे काम जायना हे जायना कित्याक एकदा तो officer is more involved in running his own business rather than being in the government seat. And the accountability न जाल्ल्यान governance सारकें जायना. Minister being the head of the state with the council of ministers will have to discuss this issue, deliberate and go. But I am very clear of the opinion that informers हाडले तेन्नाच accountability वाडटली आणि जे कोण गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड आसात और जातात सायड बिझनेसीन तांणी तीच प्रायोरिटी घेवची और वॉट एवर अँड गो देर गिव दिस ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू फ्रेश ब्लड.
तुम्ही अपील केले पण त्यांचेर कारवाई कोण करतलो
ते मुख्यमंत्र्याक बरोवनूच करचें पडलें न्ही. एज अ गव्हर्मेंट वी हॅव टू डू इट. इट इज माय इनिशिएटिव्ह टू टेक दिस थिंग्स अहेड. वी विल हॅव टू एन्श्योर. आय विल टॉक टू CM आफ्टर रायटिंग द लेटर and see that these things are taken to task. After Orissa to actually implement a policy and disburse incentives in terms of startup and IT. Out of the other balance, 31 which we have certified in the last couple of weeks, the due diligence process being followed, a high-powered committee under CM which will be chaired very soon by the CM. We will ensure that further disbursements of incentives also take place, which will allow the startups to create their own identity. The startup म्हणटा आमी problem solvers. they can create success stories for the state and for themselves. We can carve out our vision of being one of the most preferred startup destinations and the IT destination. So as we take the infrastructure of Chimbel, Porvorim to ahead to support the IT companies and the policies which have found the place in terms of the IT industry, I am pretty sure in this couple of years, Goa will be the preferred IT destination, a knowledge destination for people to come and set shops.